right, so you're in the market for new construction. Maybe just like new houses, maybe even shopping around for resale, and they just aren't coming up. So new construction is now an option for you. Here are 5 myths about new construction that you've probably heard about that just aren't true. All right, so you're in this beautiful home here at Canadian's Four Seasons, awesome neighborhood here in Kent Island. We're gonna start with number 1. Okay, number 1 is that new home construction is so much more expensive up front. Now, yes, that is correct. New homes tend to be about 12 to 16% more up front, but that's not factoring in when you buy a resale, any updates you need to do. A new home's gonna come with new roof, new HVAC, new cabinets, new plumbing, new electrical, everything's gonna be up to code, so you're gonna avoid any major upgrades for the first 15, 20 years that you're in the home. They're also gonna carry an awesome new home warranty, so you won't have to make any repairs for the first couple years. So while they may be more expensive up front in the sales price, you may actually save a little bit in the long haul based on not having to do anything. Let's go to number 2. All right, number 2, new homes are harder to finance than resale. That is completely not true. Most builders have relationships with lenders that do all of the homes on site. And by getting these relationships, they actually have incentives and all sorts of different programs that they work to help with these lenders, including the title company. Most of the title company does the batch work on all the development, and they'll be able to cut you a little bit of deal on the back end. Now keep in mind, this is always super important to make sure you get pre-approved before you go looking at any homes, and you may be able to bring your local lender in, a local title company, and get the same incentives. That's if you got a good agent. Let's go to number 3. All right, number 3 is you have to wait forever for a new home to be built. Now that is completely not the case. The average new home takes about 6.5 months to build, but most builders are starting to build ahead of time before they even sell the homes, meaning if you go and get a meeting with a new construction sales manager, they may have one that are pre-built, almost built, or ready to be bought right away and move into. Now understanding at this point, you won't be able to pick out any of your options, but still, you can move in quicker and you can upgrade as you go along. Now we're gonna talk about number 4. Number 4, new homes tend to lose value quicker than resale homes. Now that could not be any more false. What I mean by that is you come in, you buy a new home, it takes some time to build. Usually builders are building in phases, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4. If you buy in phase 1, they're gonna then up the price on phase 2, phase 3, and phase 4. So by the time you move in, the next phases are already priced higher. Now, if you tend to buy in phase 4, you come into the back end, you're gonna bring up the value of all the other phases. They're gonna come up to your value, and you're actually gonna be a little bit more valuable because you're built a lot newer. So they don't lose value. It's not like buying a car and a new car driving off the lot and seeing 5% of the price go right down. This is a slam dunk home run. And people love new houses, so they keep the value. Let's go to number 5. It's the most important one. I'm gonna show you now. All right, number 5, and I think it's the most important one, is I don't need a real estate agent to buy a new construction home. That could not be any further from the truth and actually could cost you quite a bit of money. We had a recent instance on this house in particular where our clients just got a settlement statement. There's about $2,500 of trash fees from the title company and the lending side that we were able to get completely wiped off. So if they didn't have us, they would have paid $2,500 extra. Real estate agents could be able to review the contract. They're going to be able to do walkthroughs with you. They're going to be able to be with you the whole time the process, answer any questions about the settlement, and be your conduit to the new home sales manager. A big example, what I always give about where real estate agents really pay off is during your pre-drywall walkthrough. You want to make sure all your light switches are on the right spot. You don't want to be walking in the doors and have to switch them on the other side. Make sure all the correct tiles done. And one of the ones we had a couple of months ago is the wrong tub was installed. We had it documented, we were able to show them, and they replaced the tub. So those are the 5 myths about buying new construction. If you're interested in buying new construction in Maryland, please hit me up, give me a call. Or if you just have a question about any certain community, let me know. But remember, get in touch with me first so I can attend the first meeting and I can bat for you. I'm Shawn Martin with the Shawn Martin Group. Have a great day.